More than 11,000 Hollywood film and TV writers are on strike. Of the many topics under consideration in this year's contract negotiations, one nascent technology has entered the conversation for the first time: artificial intelligence. Here's why the generative potential of AI has emerged as a key issue in this year's writers' strike. They maintain that using AI to replicate an actor's voice or likeness requires the performer's consent and compensation.
Literally being able to type in, I want to see an action movie, and I want it to be funny, and I want it to take place in Texas, go. And it spits out a movie.
AI is a hot topic right now, pretty much any industry out there. When it comes to video, you do have some people that are saying that they think it's going to replace writers or directors or production, pre-production, post-production. So does anybody out there know what the impact of AI is going to be